keeping it mellow towards the end of the year and just sharing with you guys how I wrap some of my presents for my loved ones. And the first thing that I do is stick to a theme with my wrapping paper, which you can tell is brown and black, and I bought them from Home Goods and Michael's craft store. One of my favorite go-tos this year was honestly just taking some holiday greenery, sticking it on top of the present, but then you go in and you just tape the ends together at an angle, or you can do it straight on with a metallic tape. So I'm going to be using gold because gold is obviously all over my tree, so it complements it very well. For another option, of course, you love some good old twine. So I just went ahead and wrapped that around the present completely, and then realized I didn't want the knot like facing up. I wanted it nice and smooth, so I kind of crisscrossed it so there wasn't a knot or a bow on the top of my present. I snipped the excess twine off and then put the present right side up, and I once again added some holiday green at an angle to each side. You can do whatever type of wood ornament or ornament, that doesn't have to be wood, that you would like, but the reason that I chose a doghouse was obviously because I love dogs, but my mom recently got into painting and she loves dogs as well, so I thought it was a cute little personal touch for her presents if she wanted to paint them and add them to the tree. Yes, I did label my label maker. It is not a special one, but I linked it down below for you guys. As you can guess, the next one is simply using this label maker to put the people's names on the present. Nothing more than that. It just gives it a nice minimalistic vibe, in my opinion, and it's just super cute because it's detailed in a little way. You're not going overboard. We're getting a little crafty on this next one because we're going to be using some paint. I just put some twine on another present that had the Christmas tree little vibe on it. I popped open some black paint and then stirred it thoroughly because that's what you need to do. And then, don't get it on your workshop table. Make sure you have a rag when you're working with paint all the time, or at least put one underneath it. I don't know why. Now looking at this, it stresses me out. But you're just going to take a pine cone and actually dip it halfway or all the way or just the tip. Literally, it's up to you. But I just held it there for a second, let the excess run off and dry, and then we're going to use that to decorate the present. Get over the fact that I'm using holiday greens a lot this year. I was just feeling it, so I added those to the present once again, and then right in the middle I dropped that pine cone with a little bit of hot glue to sit and settle. I'm not very good with stencils. This was like my first time actually using one, and I don't know if I did it the right way, but I just went for it. I decided to use some stencils I had on hand to spray paint Mom on one of her larger presents. I just thought it'd be kind of funky and different, and she would get a kick out of it because once again, she's into painting right now. So everything that I'm doing has like a little bit of a personal touch on it. Well, just specifically for my mom. Like I said before, I've never used stencils. If you guys have tips or tricks on how to use these properly, please comment down below. Sharing is caring. I definitely could have YouTubed it, but I just wung it. It does look a little plain still, so I added holiday greens. Shocker, but actually, after watching this video, I'm going to rip the greens off and do that twine situation and just wrap it a couple times towards the bottom because that just looks a little bit weird. Nothing too intense towards the end of the year, just wanted to share some DIY gift wrapping ideas. Again, sharing is caring, so comment down below what's your theme, what DIYs are you doing, because you're going to inspire somebody else. I will be filming a little end of year wrap up and just what I see in 2019 for my channel, so if you guys have any questions you would like answered, whether they're personal, career driven, or just about my dog, I want to answer them all. So also comment those down below, and I'll catch you on the next one for another DIY.